Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you will be safe and sound inside your homes. Dear students, right from 21st of December 2020, there are the vacations for you, and this will remain in effect up to 28th of February 2021. Simply, you have to visit some coaching centers, you have to attend some coaching centers to get facilitated physically, because this virtual mode can't be substitute for the actual mode of the teaching. If it had been so, the Americans and Italians would have closed their institutions and have asked their teachers to deliver things from their home. Dear students, one more important thing is that you have to work hard and self-study having no substitute in the world. Dear students, last academic year turned the victim of COVID-19 pandemic. Schools remained shut and you remained cut off from the academic strength or working academic boost. Teaching learning exchange was not there. Dear students, but the important thing is that you have to work hard. And today we are dealing with very important topic, that is present continuous tense and its passive, for which I received a phone call. Dear students, first of all, need to know what is the present continuous tense. Present continuous tense is the tense in which those actions are said which are going at the moment. The actions which are going at the moment are present continuous in tense. Present continuous in tense. For example, I am teaching, he is going, they are writing. These are the examples of present continuous tense or present progressive tense. So simply you have to keep in the mind that present continuous tense is a tense in which those actions are said which are going at the moment. And these actions are always non-permanent actions, and non-permanent actions are said in present continuous tense. For example, if I am teaching at the moment, I can say I am teaching. I am teaching English. This is the action that is going on. So it's non-permanent action. If it is a permanent action in present, then it is present simple. For example, I teach daily. I go to school daily. These are the examples of present simple. But these actions are permanent actions. Hence, they are said in present simple. But the actions that are going at the moment, the non-permanent actions are said in present continuous tense or present progressive tense. But there is a construction for it. You have to simply keep in the mind by which you can learn the things well. It is am plus the ing form of the verb, is plus ing form of the verb, and are plus ing form of the verb. So ing means the present participle. Simply I am writing, that means am and ing form of the verb. She is writing, that means is plus ing form of the verb. They are writing, that means simply are plus ing form of the writing, by which this you can create some examples yourself and make present continuous tense. But important thing is that you have to keep in the mind the present continuous tense is a tense in which those actions are said which are going at the moment and they are non-permanent action. For example, I am teaching English this time, so I am teaching. He is going. They are running. The actions that are going at the moment are said in the present progressive tense or present continuous tense. Simply, when you have to keep in the mind the construction of it, construction is am plus ing form of the verb, is plus ing form of the verb, and are plus ing form of the verb. Am is used with I, is used with third person singulars, and are is used with plurals including you. But dear students, this is the construction. Now what is the active sentence? Active sentence are those sentences in which subject of the verb governs or dominates the verb. Subject dominates the verb. So active voice is always a normal voice. Active voice in which the subject dominates the verb or subject governs the verb. Wherein passive voice, the subject of the verb is acted upon, subject of the verb is acted upon. Remember, when we change active verb into passive verb or active sentence in a passive sentence, its meaning never gets changed, but simply its voice gets changed. That is why it is called the change of voice. Take some examples. He is playing cricket. Here it is playing cricket. So simply it is in present continuous tense. Present progressive tense or present continuous tense. He is playing cricket. First of all, here he is the subject, playing is the verb, and cricket is the object. here the subject dominates the verb. So it is active verb or active sentence. When we make this passive, in a passive voice, always the third form of the verb is used, and it where the subject of verb is acted upon, he is playing cricket. First of all, you have to identify, you have to recognize the subject and the object. The subject simply means action doer, and object means action receiver. So here the he word he is the subject and cricket is the object. And when I am going to change it from active into passive, so simple, I can do it for you. Cricket is being played by him. Cricket is being played by him. In order to show the continuity, progress, we use being. Simply, in order to show continuity or progressiveness, you have to simply use word being. He is playing cricket, cricket is being played by him, and him is the objective form of the he. So take one more example. Rashid is playing hockey. Rashid is playing hockey. Here Rashid is what? The subject, action doer. Hockey is object. Is playing shows it is a present continuous. When the same sentence is in what? In active voice, because here the subject of the verb governs or dominates the verb. When we change it from active to passive, but you have to keep in the mind, when we change active sentence into passive one, we change the voice of the sentence only, not the meaning. So Rashid is playing cricket. You have to recognize first the subject, object, and the verb. Remember, the action doer is the subject, action receiver is the object, and what subject does is the verb. And where subject governs the verb, subject dominates the verb, is what? Is simply an active sentence. In a passive sentence, the subject of the verb is acted upon. Rashid is playing cricket. Here Rashid is subject, is the helping, playing is main verb, and cricket or hockey is object. Cricket is being played by Rashid. Its passive can be like this. Cricket is being played by Rashid. In order to show continuity, you have to use being. Cricket is being played by Rashid. You have to keep in one more thing in the mind, that in a passive voice, always third form of the verb is used. But when we change active sentence into passive one, you have to recognize some things. You have to recognize the tense in which it is. You have to recognize the subject. You have to recognize the object, and you have to identify the verb also. Take one more example. Ahmad is playing chess. Ahmad is playing chess. He is playing chess. Simply, it is the example of present progressive or present continuous tense. Ahmad is playing chess. Is playing chess. So it is present continuous. When we change it from active to passive, so simple it is. Chess is being played by Ahmad. Chess is being played by Ahmad. So remember, you have to keep in the mind that the active sentence is a sentence in which the subject governs the verb, and while the passive sentence is a sentence in which the subject of the verb is active upon. So Rashid is playing cricket. The cricket is being played by Rashid. So dear students, hope you have grasped the concept. In case of any query or confusion that may strike your mind after watching this video, you can call me on 7006671106 or WhatsApp me on the same number. And when you forward your query by any means, by WhatsApping or by calling, within short duration of time your query or confusion shall be cleared. Dear students, but the important thing is that you have to remain busy with the books. You have to concentrate hard in order to take your sinking boat to the bank. Dear students, my prayers are with you to see these things on your available English grammar books, and also consult an English expert to learn things well. Thanks. Be well, sir.